Welcome back to Turbo Rider, your go-to channel for everything two wheels. Today, we are diving into the all-new 2025 Kawasaki KLX 140, a bike that continues to be a favorite for riders of all skill levels. Whether you're just getting into dirt biking or you're a seasoned trail warrior, Kawasaki's latest update to the KLX lineup is worth a serious look. Overview of the 2025 Kawasaki KLX 140. The 2025 KLX 140 keeps the lightweight, durable spirit that's made it a standout for years, but it comes with some key refinements for the new model year. Kawasaki has focused on subtle but smart upgrades rather than a full overhaul. The frame remains a high-tensile steel perimeter design, keeping the bike incredibly stable without sacrificing agility. Perfect for carving up trails, handling jumps, or just tearing around in the dirt. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 KLX 140 is a 144 cubic centimeters air-cooled, 4-stroke engine, reliable, forgiving, and perfectly tuned for a broad range of riders. It delivers smooth, predictable power that's ideal for learning but still engaging enough to keep experienced riders entertained. Paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and manual clutch, this setup encourages growth in riding skills while offering a performance level that's genuinely fun to push. Suspension and handling. Suspension has always been a strong suit for the KLX 140, and Kawasaki continues that tradition with a 33mm front telescopic fork and a fully adjustable rear shock. The result is a bike that absorbs rough terrain effortlessly, giving you confidence to tackle more technical trails. The 2025 model features slightly updated suspension settings, improving stability at higher speeds without losing that plush feel on bumps and jumps. Design and features. Kawasaki has freshened up the styling for 2025 with bold new graphics and a sleeker body design. The ergonomics stay rider-friendly, with a comfortable seat height and narrow chassis that make it easy to move around the bike. Plus, electric start remains a standard feature, a true lifesaver when you're out on the trails and don't want to kickstart after a stall. Final thoughts. If you're searching for a dependable, fun, and approachable dirt bike in 2025, the Kawasaki KLX 140 should absolutely be on your radar. It offers the perfect mix of user-friendliness, performance, and reliability that makes it stand out year after year. Stay tuned to Turbo Rider for more reviews, riding tips, and everything moto, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.